Hello and welcome to this session. In IT systems development, understanding key behaviors is essential. These behaviors facilitate creating achievable requirements. They ensure value delivery while minimizing risks. Active listening is vital in understanding stakeholders' needs. It involves paying attention to verbal and nonverbal cues. This helps gather comprehensive insights. Aligning requirements with stakeholders' objectives becomes easier. Thus, it ensures effective requirement understanding. Empathy fosters trust and collaboration with stakeholders. Understanding their perspectives and challenges is crucial. It helps in addressing their needs effectively. This leads to developing requirements that truly serve stakeholders. Empathy is key to successful collaboration. Asking questions helps clarify ambiguous requirements. It ensures detailed and precise understanding. Probing deeper is essential for comprehensive documentation. This behavior avoids misunderstandings. It leads to well-documented requirements. Critical thinking analyzes requirements effectively. It identifies dependencies and anticipates challenges. Evaluating different perspectives is crucial. This leads to robust and achievable solutions. Critical thinking enhances solution development. Collaboration with teams ensures comprehensive requirements. Effective communication promotes transparency. It aligns expectations with stakeholders. This behavior facilitates idea exchange. Collaboration and communication are essential for success. Prioritizing requirements is crucial for project success. It ensures valuable features are delivered first. Balancing priorities optimizes resource allocation. This behavior enhances project outcomes. Prioritization is key to effective project management. Flexibility allows adaptation to changing requirements. It enables incremental value delivery. Embracing iterative approaches is crucial. This behavior supports continuous improvement. Flexibility and adaptability enhance project success. Attention to detail minimizes ambiguity in requirements. It ensures accurate and comprehensive documentation. Clear requirements facilitate implementation. This behavior reduces misunderstandings. Attention to detail is vital for project clarity. Taking ownership ensures high-quality requirements. Accountability fosters responsibility and commitment. Proactively addressing issues is crucial. This behavior aligns requirements with project goals. Ownership and accountability drive success. A growth mindset enhances skills and knowledge. Continuous improvement is key to evolving practices. Reflecting on experiences is crucial. Incorporating feedback leads to better projects. Continuous learning drives development success. The initiation stage defines project objectives. The project sponsor secures resources. The project manager develops the charter. Stakeholders provide input on requirements. Initiation sets the foundation for project success. Planning involves developing the project plan. The project manager defines scope and schedule. Team leads provide input on tasks. Stakeholders review and approve the plan. Planning ensures alignment with organizational goals. Execution involves implementing the project plan. The project manager oversees progress. The development team completes tasks. Quality assurance verifies deliverables. Execution translates plans into action. Monitoring ensures project performance aligns with plans. The project manager identifies deviations. Quality assurance assesses product quality. Change control board reviews changes. Monitoring maintains project integrity. Closure finalizes project deliverables. The project manager ensures completion. Documentation captures lessons learned. Stakeholders review closure documents. Closure signifies project completion. Tools like Jira and Microsoft Project aid management. They facilitate planning and tracking. Communication and collaboration are enhanced. Tools support risk management and reporting. Effective tool use ensures project success. Key behaviors enhance problem solving. Objectivity leads to accurate analysis. Exploration identifies root causes. Avoiding assumptions prevents misinterpretation. Effective communication fosters collaboration. In conclusion, the effectiveness of IT systems development is fundamentally shaped by the behaviors adopted and the tools employed throughout the project lifecycle. These elements play a decisive role in maintaining alignment between system requirements and organizational objectives, while also supporting governance, coordination, and control mechanisms. A disciplined application of appropriate strategies not only mitigates development risks, but also enhances project coherence, stakeholder engagement, and delivery quality. Consequently, embracing structured practices, supported by suitable methodologies and technologies, is essential for achieving robust, sustainable, and value-driven outcomes in IT systems development. For any queries, send us a WhatsApp message at 07484361688, and a team member will be happy to help. Thank you, and we look forward to the next session.